Da 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 da, making our Christmas memories.
So this is me cleaning the chicken for Thanksgiving. I like to wash my chicken. I don't know, people say don't wash the chicken. I grew up washing chicken, so this is me pretty much prepping and cleaning and washing the chicken before seasoning it and letting it sit inside the fridge until the day after, which is Thanksgiving.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir perform and all the...
This right here is the seasoning that I'll be using: black pepper, sea salt, garlic, this butter injectable that I found at Walmart. This is onion powder, what is that, thyme, and this is supposed to be cumin, but I picked up the wrong thing. Of course, a little bit of Tony Chachere's Mrs. Dash, and that's a mixture of onions and garlic that I minced up together. Don't worry, after this I bleached down the whole countertop because I was dealing with chicken, and I wiped everything down.
Baby, with you. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents.
So after I finished seasoning, I didn't get much footage of this, so I just took a video of it on my phone, and that was the end result of the seasoning right here. And I let it sit.
The next day,
I put it in the oven. It cooked for an hour and a half. I made a butter basting, and this is the end result. I basted it every like 10 to 15 minutes, and the total cook time was 2 hours.
Da 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 da, making our Christmas memories.